We are on the MSC Meraviglia and headed to Nassau, Bahamas. We had a continental breakfast in the room in the morning, chilled out on the balcony. I bought a bingo card the night before, so I was waiting for bingo, and I walked up and they were playing this really cool game. It was cute.
Elvis Presley. No.
Yes.
Michael Jackson. Is that your final answer? Yeah, they gave it already. It's Michael Jackson. You got it.
So we
Okay.
arrived in Nassau about noon, which was I thought was cool that we were doing like a late like noon and then leaving a little bit later because you got to do things in the morning, which I thought was cool. And so I had downloaded this app, GPS My City, and we're going on a walking tour. That's Fort Fincastle. It's the highest point in the city.
The old part of a steamer, but this Ford never saw no action. We have three guns here riding too small. These are not the original gun. They said the real set for ship out in England. You see the price store here? You know what this is? This is a guard room and a resting area for the soldiers.
That's my son. So there were 7 ships in port that day, and the city really didn't feel that crazy, but there were 7 ships in port that day.
This is the entrance to the Queen's staircase.
Video recorder?
No, photo. What you got?
So he's nice. He took a photo for us. It's really nice. It's on top of the Queen's staircase.
They have carved this out in the 1812. Carved out 66 steps and they bury one to the bottom, remain 65. Purpose for carving this out in case that old fort was attacked. This will be the escape passage for the soldiers. That old fort built to protect the harbor from the French invasion. Fort were built in the 1793 by the British governor. Name was Earl London Moore. They have cannon guns, they are not real. They were sent back to England. You are the young queen from England. Name was Queen Victoria. She had the power, what she did. She freed the slave in the Bahamas in the 1838. With the goodness she have done those slaves, thank you, Queen. So they carved it, given the name the Queen's Staircase.
It's so beautiful and serene.
Right, I'm on the Queen's staircase. Very, very humbling. 65 stairs.
They were pretty steep too. They were a lot steeper than I thought they were. They're a lot steeper than they look on camera, actually. But it was a really beautiful day. Oh, we had perfect weather. Perfect weather. So we're just walking on the streets, just kind of getting the culture of the city, itself.
I'm gonna ask you to stay. Now this is the end. We're gonna still be friends. Whoa, whoa, happy, happy days. I wish for you. Happy, happy.
So you let me finish. Yeah. He was really nice and friendly. I thought he was like the guard or something. But anyway, so we hopped back on the ship and we grabbed some pizza. And then we got back off the ship and went shopping at the straw market. So we left a lot of money back in, but not a lot of money, but a good amount. A good amount. I bought a beautiful bag and my son bought some souvenirs too. And there's the wake, my favorite. And then the night, it was white night that night. So we knew that we wanted to take pictures. I wanted to take pictures on the stairs for sure. So I took some of my son. And
Yep.
he's coming up those stairs.
20,000.
was supposed to wear my sparkly shoes,
Varsity
but
Crystal.
I didn't feel like it.
Each stair costs $20,000. Check it out. Okay. Check it out.
Hold on, I'm trying to. Oh yeah, that's the stairs.
Beautiful. And there's four staircases like that. And there's White Knight. We did it out on the deck. I had seen some pictures where they were having it inside, but oh, I love having it outside. Yeah. The weather was perfect. It really was. So there'll be more in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.